Yeah, what's up? Got you. Yeah. Guys, how far? What's up, guys? Another goodbye from a happy customer. Maybe me. Oh. Yes. Maybe buy them. That is why I no poster. Now one of my happy customers, I'm buyer. To be them, so I bought a car. I want you to help me ship her. Second car. So that is it. Yeah. That is it. So car. What you do? Yes. I don't see the car. This car is very good buy. Yes. A very good buy with this car. Very good buy. As usual, the devil you know better pass the angel when you know Sabi. So you guys go see the devil what we know. Yes. That is it. You're gonna see it with your eyes for yourself. Yes. The car get accident. That is true. That is true. The car get accident. So that is true. The car get accident. So the guy that is taking down the car now. Yes. Yeah. But the accident car. You guys see the accident now. Yes, this kind of good buy. It really did over make sense. Yes, the amount over make so much sense. It makes so much sense. Makes so much sense. It makes so much sense. He's gonna take the car down. I want to take the car down. That is it. This car came. Let me buy a more. Yes, so let me buy. If I me buy, I go make a post. Post the amount. But since let me buy them, I don't post the amount. I don't know if you post the amount. I have the documents here, but I don't know if you post the amount. Yes, because let me buy. So we're going to make it private. I don't know whether the person will get them. I don't know, I pay for personal use. Or now for sale. Best goes to him. Make nobody ask me how much, because I don't make it up. Now just be a customer we want make a shipper. So that is waiting. Now waiting at the do. If you want my ship for you, yes, we'll ship for you. Not just not just buy. If you want make a buy for you, make a help you buy. Yes, I'll give you that my professional advice. Yes, as per professor concerned. If not, if you still say yes, you too can do the same thing. What the professor they do. Yes, your wish and my command. But if you do mistake, you're on your own. Are you with me? Yes. One thing where you guys need to know about co-parts is that, yeah, if you buy yourself, now you go by yourself find means of how you take pay for the car. Yes. Because at the name, Copa said you cannot pay on anybody's behalf. So the devil is coming down. Guys, the devil is coming down. That is the devil. The devil is going down. And the devil be that. Yes. But the devil, this is the devil what we know. Yes. This is the devil with the CI. Okay, I want to take a picture. Yes. And the devil be this. The devil is down. So you guys see an accident. The face not too fine. Maybe so. Yes, because an accident. Yes, So No doubt, no accident. Yes, that's true. But now a very good buy. If you guys see how much where they buy the car, you two will shout, wow, wow, wow. Yes, all these things are secondary. Yes, the boy come out, but they will fix them.
Very nice car, my friend.
So nice, man. So that is just it. This one, I go swamp. Put an airbag. That is it. This is the devil will know. Oh, the CI. That is the devil with the CI. The devil with the CI. I don't understand the car. That is why I want to put back the foot match. While they drive the car. Yes. Okay, for the side?
Print full name, then car.
Yeah. Them so. I still don't know. Okay, where do I sign? Okay?
Yes, sir, yes. Thank you.
Yeah. So guys, just see this one now. So yes, we are inside the car. Inside the car now. It has two keys. It has two keys. We take the car to the yard. Yeah. So guys, whenever I bought one for somebody, you understand, but the bid yet is you never ascertain the bid. See the odometer. You can see the odometer. You see this guy is a very good buy. The engine never even suffer herself. Yes, the engine never suffer. And the car they drive. No accident too. Yes, that is true, the accident. So I want to park it here. Might keep this title because this title is very important to avoid storing that touch. I have to put it inside the car to avoid storing that touch. This title I have to put inside the car. I want to put the car right here. They'll now go inside. I have to turn around. I need to turn. The movement is so smooth. The movement of the car they're so smooth. Guy, the person who buy this car, if na personal use, the person go enjoy the car die. If it's for personal use, he's gonna enjoy the car die. Because the cover makes sense. If it's for personal use though, if it's for personal use, but if not for business, the person who go buy this car ain't gonna enjoy the car more. Yes. The person who go buy the car ain't gonna enjoy the car because the car never suffer, the engine never suffer at all. Motor now, you see motor, one thing, most people they do mistake, they buy body. No, make you not buy body, the engine is supposed to buy. Because engine now be the ultimate. It has two keys. This is the two keys. It has two keys. So that is it. Yes, this is courtesy of them show. So guys, I'm going to end it here because the owner, the happy customer, don't see his car. You understand? So the happy customer don't see his car. Yes. Guys, I have to go now. I have to go now. Yeah, my ear don't do 4. Guys, I want to go now. My own content will never start work. Okay, so just take care. I'm bye for now. I beg, don't forget to hit the share button. Be mindful of fake them so because I'll not go ever send you friend request. No. For waiting, how much will you want to give me? I will send you friend request. So may you come back to know. Now you want the enjoyment. Yes, so now you go contact them so say them so I need your service. Yes. Now you go contact them so I need your service. Therefore, those will be say send me message, I never respond, make you no vex. You see, say I know deliver myself at the warehouse, at the receive. I get another container. I will still go do the paperwork. About so I beg, make you no vex. Yes. So how many questions? So whether we take this thing, whether we take question. See our madam. You guys remember when our madam when them buy this car for our madam, we person to say they make no sense as scam. You guys remember, Shebi? Yes. You guys remember? If madam done a cruise in G-Wagon, I will say Benz go do this G-Wagon for 3-row seats. Yeah. I will say Benz go do this G-Wagon for 3-row seats. Yeah. If Benz do this for 3-row seats, this is supposed to be my next car. Just after them, so why? If the Benz go do this car for 3-row, as they say, we'll get it for back. I bet you, now this car go buy. He said, my dad already started the car, they cruise his car. Yes, one person, some people go just instead go tap for that people crazy. They every day they talk rubbish, we say, wait for your mouth. The person they talk this rubbish, tired, you know, see get. Yes, you don't get tired, but it costs condemn other people. This car to me to the IDG wagon, but it must be a 3-row, if not 2, or coupe. Yes, that is it. Dream big. So I need to dream big. That is why that day I was so excited. I was just happy for her. Because me too self, I want something for my wife too. Maybe so. That's what it be now. Guys, I have to go now. I'm going to do what I do for inside. Take care and bye for now. Cheers.